Hello all, and in today's video we're going to look at a worked example for fractions. We often get calls or contact from our students asking for support, and this is one way that we provide that support. We can create custom videos to help answer any queries our students may have. Hope you enjoy. Any questions, let us know.
This is Study Hat. Learning for life.
Thank you for contacting me through Study Hat. Today we're going to look at fractions, different ways that we can work out fractions. So let's get started. The first question we're going to look at is 2 over 12 times 7 over 14. Right, so what we can do is we need to know what our numerator is and what our denominators are as well. So numerators are the top number. Okay, the top number. So we've got 2 over 12 times by 7 over 14. Okay, so this one here is your numerator. Let's see if we can get this here. Get the right pen. We've got the numerator. That's worth knowing. And the bottom number is called the denominator. Now the way that you would multiply a fraction is, if you need to simplify the fraction, then you can make the fraction smaller. You multiply the numerators to get the new numerator, and you multiply the denominator to get the new denominator. So this is actually quite straightforward. So it's 2 over 12 times 7 over 14. So you'd multiply the numerators. So we've got 2 times 7 is 14. And then we've got 12 times 14. We've got 12 times 14, which equals 168. Now what we would do is, we would take that down even further to see whether or not we can simplify this even further. So we can divide by 14, because if we know our addition numbers, we would know that 14 can be divided and goes into 168. So this one, 14 divided by 14 is 1, and 168 divided by 14 is 12. So the answer here is C, which is 1/12. Right, let's go on to the next one. This one says 32 over 81 times 27 over 48. So I'm just going to write it a little bit bigger. So let me just get a pen again. We've got 32 over 81 times 27 over 48. And what we're looking for is, in the numerator and the denominators, whether there are any common denominators, whether there's any common factors in this. And again, we need to know our multiplication times tables, how we can work out numbers, and how they are shown. Right, so as I look at 32, I know that there's a number that goes into 32, which would also go into 48. So 16 goes into 32 twice. 16 goes into 48 3 times. Okay, then I think about 27, adding that, seeing whether it goes into 81 as well. And it does, so 27 does go into 27, it goes into it once. And 27 goes into 81 3 times. Okay, so then what we do is, we've got new numerators, we've got new denominators, and what we would do is we would just multiply the numerators and the denominators. That would say, so we would do 2 times 1, 2 times 1, which is 2, over 3 times 3, which is 9. So the answer here is 2 over 9, and that gives us the answer of C.
If you've got any questions, anything at all, feel free to email us at support@studyhat.com, and we'll chat again soon. Thanks all. Bye.
Find out more at studyhat.co.uk.